Humana People to People India is a 15-year-old development organization which is fighting with the poor to improve education, health, community development and environment for poor people in India. In order to meet the energy requirement for cooking, the people in the rural area largely depend on firewood and dung cakes. To raise the awareness of global warming and climate change, and to help the family in rural village in the Indian state of Rajasthan with better source of energy, we will start a project where we construct 10 household biogas plant as renewable resource of green energy. Humana People to People India highly appreciate the support from companies in Italy via Humana Italy. The farmer in Rajasthan have buffaloes so they can get milk for the family member and to also bring a small livelihood income from sale. The farmer use the cattle dung as farmyard manure, but unfortunately a good part of the dung is also being made into fire cake, which are burning to meet the energy requirement for cooking food. Beside burning the dung cake, the villager also collect firewood often from far away to have enough material for their cooking. This is putting pressure on the already depleting forest. The burning of dung cake and firewood in the small village kitchen give a lot of smoke and contribute to the indoor pollution, which is a main cause of respiratory disease and cause of death among the women. The use of biogas for cooking will save time of women, which was used to collect firewood and to make the dung cakes. It will provide a healthy kitchen environment and will help to cook the food faster. The use of biogas will reduce the burden of energy need from the forest and will allow all the organic manure to instead go to farmer fields. The use of bioslurry from the biogas plant will improve the soil health for the better farm production. The model of biogas plant established by the project will be used as a platform to create it better understanding and adoption by more families.